Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nasdaq and SPX 500 price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. This is the intraday for the US indexes, starting with Nasdaq on the 1 hour chart. So as you can see, of course, our confirmation for higher was 25k 820 was not taken. Of course, we have passed it. There is a gap there, of course, meaning we're still in a corrective potentially wave 2 here, and we are, guess what, in our testing area 0.38 fib level as expected as well. In 1 2 3 4 5 wave 1 A, B, and a C wave 2 potentially would like to see a signal of strength. If not, that means, of course, breaking this area and pushing towards the new fib levels, of course, or new potential testing area here between the 0.618 and the 0.786. And that means, of course, a potential testing area might be initiated over there for a wave 2, very deeper wave 2. Of course, unless we take the confirmation for something much more deeper and we dive, of course, for a potential deep wave 2, or even, we gotta be careful, it might be something else unfolding. It can be something, of course, as a 1-2 over there. Don't forget, we still, of course, here in diagonal, and if this is a part of the impulse, which is hard to call, but still can be, and that we have an ABC finish there, okay, we might drop down, of course, for a very deep wave 2, and this might be the signal there. By taking the low, of course, that means, we might dive deeper, unless, of course, some signal of strength will show up again in a bigger 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here towards the upside. However, somehow I doubt it, guys. If we dive deeper here, that we might push for higher again. I believe that the market might, of course, seek after a deeper correction after this massive move here for an impulse potentially finished. And we start to look for something, of course, deeper here, potentially ABC. And probably can be, of course, at least like stronger wave 4 or bigger wave 4. But we'll take it from there. And we'll see what's going to happen step by step, of course, for this potential scenario. Currently, on the 15-minute chart, we can see, of course, this as a regular flat should be done and finished, meaning a 1-to-1 fib level has to be taken over there. So yes, we can see it clearly, and the 0.38 has to be in confluence taken also. So it is time, of course, to see something pushing for higher in case that this is a finished wave 2 over there, 1 2 3 4 and a 5. Yep, so this is regarding the Nasdaq. In SPX, we see even a stronger move here. We have seen the testing area breaking down, which is very, very interesting there, showing a lot of weakness over there, for the SPX. So that is a sign there. We have to take care of it, because if this is a low there, let me check. Okay, the 1-to-1 fib level already so much broken here. Now we see 1 2 3 4 and a 5 finished. We still, of course, close there for the 1-to-1 fib level, but if we see continuation, if we don't see a signal here of strength, like really good rebound and breaking this high there as a confirmation for higher, well, we gotta be careful. Okay, we gotta be careful. It might be something going deeper. Let me check as a wave 3. Well, yes, so be careful. 1.27 uncommon target for a wave 3 is hit there, meaning 1 2 3 can be considered 4 and a 5. Interesting key level, I would say. Let's watch this one also. So despite the signal of strength that we're looking for, that is here a potential invalidation of bearish should be taken, right, at 6,857 in case we want to see, of course, higher prices. If we take this, okay, that might be, but if we go sideways for a wave 4, well, we're done. We move downward, guys. So we gotta be careful, of course. For Nasdaq, I don't see yet. Let me check also if this is a 1.27. Not yet. Okay, it's not yet. But we gotta be careful with it, guys. And I cannot say that this is can be something as invalidation, because it can be taken already right now. We'll watch and see. Now for SPX, it can be still, of course, a wave C. Don't forget, still can be a possibility for a wave C, meaning of course wave 1 finished there, wave 2, and we're looking here for a wave 4 and a 5 continuation. But we need the signal, of course. So to be watched for the stock market, very interesting. Our testing area broken on SPX, Nasdaq as well. I would say it has been tested. A reaction is required for SPX. Very essential to watch the 6,858. Yep, that was it for SPX and Nasdaq. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.